Hello. uh, Yesterday we discussed about some JS programs. Now let's continue on that. We'll see gradually new programs, not the old programs. And obviously revision process is going on there. We'll also take some samples of old programs, a minor and the major programs. Yesterday we saw here that one function, that is method window.open, to open a new link, new tab we can say, and nothing we have to do there, just we need to use the method. Now one question is that if we don't know the method, then what to do? If we don't know, then we have to go to official site of JS, and there we have to search, we have to look for the examples, then we can use it. Okay, now let's go for the next program. So this was a study one program. Now next program is there. We have a text, yes, and we have to change the text when we click the button. So how to change that? Let's go for it. Let's create a new file. Okay, now first let's use the button, yes, and before that let's put some text inside the p tag. Let's put the ID here. One. This is first paragraph, and what we need, we want to change it. So how to change it? Let's go for it. Let's create a button. Now when we click the button, an event has to hit there. So on click, what function we want to call here? We have to use one function. Let's keep the function here, text change, yes. So this is the function we have to call when we click the button. Okay, and just below it, now let's go for the JS. What is the name of function? Text change. So function text change, opening and closing, and after that what we have to do there, we have to change the text, this one. So first we have to get the ID of this p, yes. So var id1 equals to id. What is the name of id? p1. So p1 dot value, or simply what we can do here, we can directly put the text, we can get the value and we can overwrite it. So that also can be done. Let's do it here. Let's access the first value here, and after that document dot text equal to what we have to put there. We have to replace the content with any other one. Yes, so what we can do, id1 equals to this is new text, and here we can use a id1. So that's all, nothing more we have to do here. Let's save it. Actually this is not needed, and directly this is not needed, directly we can add this one. Okay, we'll also use some other methods. First let's see the output. Okay, this is first paragraph. Let's click it here. Text changed. Did you notice that? Yes, let's refresh it. Okay, this is first paragraph we have written there. As we click this button, this paragraph will get changed. I'm going to click it here. Did you notice that it's changed? Okay, this is how we can change it. So nothing more we have to do there. So this is the very that simple method how we can apply. So first getting the value and overriding that and assigning to the same ID. One thing more we can do here, what we can do there, first getting the value, yes, and supplying no value there. Yes, supplying no value there, and after that id1 equals to writing some other text and supplying that to this id. So this also can be done. Let's refresh it. So this is first paragraph. Yes, click it, other text, yes or no? Yes. So in very simple way we can write JS code. Okay, similarly we can also change the color. Yesterday we saw there how to change the color there. If we want to change the color, then we can do here. Document get element by id. So what is p1? This is p1 dot style dot background color equals to, let's give one color here, purple. Okay, let's save it. Let's click it here. Element by id, find there. Everything looks good here. Okay, let's remove it. Let's save it. If any bug comes, we'll see that. So this is how it changes. So here was a mistake. Yes and no. Okay, now let's cover the next program here. Let's cover the simple form validation. Let's get first form here. Let's create button here. Okay, after that let's put PID here. One paragraph, ID equals to message. Okay, let's give it blank here. Now let's cover the JS. So we have finished the form part. Yes and no. Now we have to talk about the how to write JS code. Let's write the JS code here. What is the name of function? It's validate here. First we have to get the ID for which actually we are going to validate the box. Okay, name equals to document dot get element by ID. So what is the name of ID? Name, yes or no? Name dot value. First we have to get the value. Next is there. We also need to get this ID first to display the message. Suppose we need here constant message equals to document dot get element by id, then message, then dot. Okay, this much dot is not needed there, only this much. Okay, after that what happens, we have to test the condition whether the condition is being true or not. Let's go for if name if name equals to blank, then what to display there, message dot inner test. Inner test equals to what we have to put there, name cannot be blank. Okay, name cannot be blank. Similarly, message dot style dot color equals to, let's give here red color. Okay, one thing what we can do here, we are putting required, so that is also ensure that the validation done by the HTML. Let's remove from here. Okay, so red, else what we have to put here, let's copy and paste this entire part. Inner text, if the condition is false, hello, then plus name. Okay, this, and the what color we want to put here, green. Let's put a green. That's all. Let's save it and let's see it's going to function or not. Okay, let's run it. Form validation. Okay, here is the box. Let's hit the enter. So no message we are getting here. Is there any problem here? So everything looks okay. So where is the problem? Let's go for it. Okay, it is having problem there. Input ID text fine there, ID name also fine there, placeholder is also fine there. So that does not matter here. Wait, let's see the inspect. Where is the problem? Here is a problem here. On code syntax error, missing initializer form validation.html 18 constant declaration. On code references validate is not defined. 13 and 18. 13. So it is having problem there. It is reloading the page. What we can do here, it is working but reloading is going on there. So what we can do to prevent this, let's cut this. Sorry, let's put outside the form. Name cannot be blank. Look here. So now if we enter here Ram, submit, hello Ram, yes or no. So this is how we can write the program. So what was the mistake we have done here? And actually it was showing and it was having the first the form, it was reloading itself because this button it was inside the form. And next it was what we did there, that this name actually first we declare that and then we assign the value. That cannot be done. So why we were having the message in the console area. And how to resolve the message or the errors? First of all, click the right click the mouse and there go to console, and there if you are getting any message in red color means it is having some issues there, we have to resolve it. So this is how we can resolve, and just so we can go for the output. Okay, so this is how we can validate the forms easily. Nothing more there. We can also use the form on submit, that is an event for the form. Okay, now let's go for the next program here. Okay, let's see some other things that DOM and BOM concept. I'm going to write it here for you. Let's create a new file, and here we are going to talk about another, we can say that DOM, that is get elements by tag name. Program number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 dot html, again html, DOM methods. Let's give the title here. Okay, first we are going to create some paragraphs here. Let's give a title here. I'm going to talk about DOM. Let's give a paragraph here. This is first paragraph. Let's give now next paragraph here. This is second paragraph. Okay, yes, let's give here that much. So what we are going to do here, so when we click the button, then its content will be changed. Now we have already done that. So but how to change that using the tag, as we are going to talk about here, get elements by, you can say their tag name. So these are same tags, yes or no, these are the same tags, but how to do that? Okay, let's go for it. Let's click the button here, button, change the text. Okay, and let's use an event here and click let's give a function name here. Function name is p-change. Okay, let's give here p-change. After that, let's write the script here, downside. Okay, so what is the name of function? p-change. Let's give a function here. Okay, function name is p-change here. Any argument? No argument we are going to pass here. Let's write the codes here. First we have to get the tags name. Yes, so for that let's declare a variable here. So var paragraphs equals to document dot get element by get elements by tag name. Okay, so what is the name of tag? Tag name is p. Let's keep p here. Okay, and after that semicolon. Yes, now whenever we use this one, then what happens? It extracts these all the paragraphs. Yes, it extracts all the paragraphs. What we need here, we have to change this first paragraph only. So we have to give the location, and in JS what happens, it is starts from 0, just like an array. It is starts from 0 means we have to consider this for 0, this for 1, and so on. Let's go for it. For this, what we have to do there? So ps 0 dot text content equals to, yes, ps 0 dot text content. What content we want to put here? A new paragraph for first paragraph. A new text, it would be better. Okay, a new text, let's put for first paragraph. That must only there. Nothing more we want to do there. So this much. If we want to change the second one, then similarly we have to put the one here. Okay, now let's save it and let's run the program. Okay, here is your first paragraph and this is our second paragraph. Right now we are going to talk about only this first paragraph. Let's click the button and let's see what is going to happen. So did you notice that it got changed? Yes or no? Yes. Let's refresh it and look here carefully. So this is the first paragraph we have written here in JS code. So this is the first paragraph, yes, and this is second paragraph. For this we have not written any code. Now when we click this button, then what happens? This text will get changed. So let's click here. Our new text for first paragraph changed, yes. So this is how it works. Similarly, if we want to change the color, etc., it can be changed easily. Just we have to give the location. So this is how we can use this DOM. We can say that method, that is get elements by tag name. If there are multiple tags and you want to change particular one only, then just give the location. So how to give the location? To give the location, just you put the variable name and inside the square bracket put the location name. It is starting from the 0. If the first one we want to change, put 0. If there is second one, then 1, and so on. Okay, this was for today. Again, thank you, and tomorrow again we will be discussing about some more programs such as JS, DOM and BOM, and some other data structure like programs. Tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow there won't be any live classes. So on Sunday again we will be talking about some programs related to the, it will be for the 10 class, that is in Q Basic. Okay, so stay tuned and just tell your friends to subscribe the channel, and if you have any relative going to apply for the SE, then you can tell them to join the classes. Sunday, Monday it is for SE, Tuesday, Wednesday it is for the grade 11, and Thursday and Friday it is for the grade 12. Okay, thank you.